Today I'm upgrading my 2025 model Tohatsu 9.9 horsepower outboard to 15 horsepower. This is a well-known modification, and the exact same process also applies to Mercury 10 horsepower models, as they share the same platform. In this video, I'll walk you through the full procedure step by step. No unnecessary parts, just the actual changes required to increase the output. Before we begin, it's important to note: this modification may affect warranty, local regulations, and insurance. Make sure you understand the rules that apply in your country before doing this yourself. The 9.9 and 15 horsepower versions are, mechanically, identical engines. By removing or modifying these restrictions, the engine is able to reach the same performance as the 15 horsepower version. Let's get started. First, we remove the engine cover to access the intake area. Inside, you'll find the component that limits the engine's output. This is the key part that differentiates the 9.9 from the 15 horsepower model. Once located, it can be removed or adjusted depending on the design. The process itself is straightforward and does not require advanced tools. However, precision is important. Take your time and make sure everything is reassembled correctly. After completing the modification, reinstall all components and secure the engine cover. Double-check all connections before starting the engine.